I'm here with my guys from the shipping. Come and explore some penguins and what. So now we're gonna head to Cape Point to get some nice food at the restaurant there. You know what I mean? Cheers.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Thomas, aka Boyson.
See, the world is getting better now. Feel the change is coming on my way. Keeping hope as higher as I can. Moving on, embracing destiny.
What can you say about this place, sir?
It's very beautiful, placeful. I very enjoy its tour.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice place. How about you, sir?
What? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Oscar, ano sabi mo, Oscar?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Zaibis.
Shigeli ba sharshari kuri tugudai doba. Shigeli ba sharshari mishiri tugudai doba.
Oh. Oscar! Sana yung penguin? Wala man? Tara, malaking penguin sa tabi mo. Welcome to Boulders.
Jabal marra suga jamaili marra barudayin suga jamaili marra suga jamaili marra suga jamaili yajnina suga jamaili jinina barudayin suga jamaili.
Okay guys, dito kami ngayon sa Cape of Good Hope, yung sa likod ko. Tsaka bibili kami ng ticket kasi may cable ba tol? May cable car, akit kami doon. May lighthouse doon sa taas, akit kami. And gutom na kami ni Oscar pero ayaw kumain ng mga puti, mga hayop na to. Pero okay lang, sige, dalawa lang kami wala lang kami Pinoy, sige, oo na lang, wala nang kain-kain.
Dito na kami, naglalakad kami sa Diaz Point, pababa. Gutom na kami. Ang daming lamok. Okay lang kahit gutom kasi ganda naman ang view.
I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home.